Friday morning, March 20, 2026. Tropical cyclone Narelle made a landfall. For those of us here in Cairns, there was a heavy silent concern. It was a monster of a storm, and for a while it felt like it was heading straight for our homes. We stayed calm, but then unpredictable was frightening. Yet we were blessed. The heart of the Narelle passed 500 kilometers away from our northern beaches. While the world watched a Category 4 giant, we experienced a night that felt strangely like a normal rainy windstorm. But the ocean had its own plans. The tide rose high, reaching over the footpaths and climbing the roads. It wrapped our concrete and grass in tons of heavy wet sand. It was nature's way of reclaiming the edge where the land meets the sea. But the morning light, the coastline told a story of power. Trees were down, the roots exposed where the sand had been pulled away. Kilometers of our beautiful coast were marked by this silent struggle. It felt for a moment like something had been lost. But then we looked closer at Trinity Beach. The storm hadn't just taken, it had given. It brought new sand, leaving the beach flatter, wider, and more beautiful than before. It was nature simply restoring itself. Out of the concern, we found new beginning, a beautiful perspective. It is remarkable how nature can be so intimidating one moment and then seemingly tidy up an improved landscape next.